Hi, this is Grant at Grant Palmer Photography, and bring you some more tips and tricks about photographing fire performers and Burning Man and all those sorts of things. And I want to talk a little bit about studio lighting and strobe lighting with fire performers. And fundamentally with studio lighting and fire performers, you've got a couple of different artistic options. And the artistic option should drive how you light and what you're doing. You can have the performer bathed in essentially the orange light of the fire tool, in which case you may want to add a full color temperature orange or similar gel to your flash so that it gives out a color that's closer to the color of the fire. You may want to do a half CTO gel to give you a little bit more realistic skin tones, because sometimes people can look very, very orange, and it depends what colors are actually in their particular skin tones that can make them just pick up the orange of the fire of the flash. Or you can go color temperature 5600 straight out of the flash. And it really depends upon what sort of look you're looking for. The performer in regular, orangey, yellow, pinky skin tones, or a deeper orange over the performer that matches more the fire. Either way is good. Either way is correct. There isn't an incorrect answer here. If you have the skills within either Lightroom or Photoshop, even if you do make an image with, say, a color temperature 5600, you can always go back and correct that just over the performer if you want to, just to give the performer a little bit more warmth. I did a studio session with a fire performer. It was a maternity session the other day, and yeah, they looked a little washed out under the studio lights. All right, bring the color temperature a little bit warmer. Beautiful. So, hope those tips helped. If you got any questions, leave questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. I want to be an open book. Catch me at Grant Palmer Photography over on Instagram, and I will see you all in the next one or out on the playa. Cheers.